musculoskeletal system. Okay, when you say musculoskeletal, we are pertaining kay muscles. Like your muscles and your skeletal system. Tama, yung musculoskeletal system. Okay? So, anong pwede mong tanongin with regards sa client history taking? Pwede nagka-injury ba saan siya? Sa muscle, pwede. Anong pwede injury sa muscles niya?
Sprain.
Pwede. Na-sprain. Pwede. Ano ba?
Nag-steroids.
Pwede. Nag-steroids ka na ba? Nag-steroids ka? Ano pa? What else?
Soreness.
Pwede. May soreness pa. May masakit pang muscle. May namamaga pa.
Not here.
Pwede. May muscle tear ba? Problem pa saan sa mga connective tissues like your ligaments in your tendons, nagka-trauma ba? Okay? Namamaga ba yung muscle niya? Ano ba? Masakit ba yung muscle mo? Ano ba? Nag-gym ka ba? Kinastos things. Ano ba? Besides the muscles, how about the bones? Ano ba yung trace mo niya?
Dislocation.
Pwede. Na-discurate na ba? Ano ba? Pwede na opera na ba sa buto? Ano ba? Correct. Nagka-fracture na ba siya? Ano ba? Namamalian na ba? Okay. So, basta anything related sa muscle and your bones.
Bone cancer.
Bone cancer, pwede. May history ba ng bone cancer? Skin cancer. Sige, pagbigyan natin skin cancer, mata cancer. Okay, so anong next na gagawin?
Inspect muscles for
Combine
size.
muscles.
Inspect now the muscle for size. What else?
Tendons, contractures.
For?
Contractures.
Tendons for?
Contractures.
Contractures. Okay, so what are contractures? So, syempre, first, inspect daw the muscle muna. Then, inspect the muscle for and tendons for any contractures. Pag siya may contractures, ano yan? That's the one. The stiffening of the joints. Ano nangyari? Tumigas. Nagkaroon ng contractures. Bakit? Nag-fuse ngayon yung joints ni patient. Tumigas, kumbaga. So mukhang wala naman siya contractures. Bakit? Nakakagalaw siya naman. Walang masakit din sa kanya. Then you inspect the muscle visually. Tingnan niyo yung muscle niya. Okay po ba yung muscles niya? Okay po ba sa size niya? Ha? Covered in fats na. Okay. Tingnan niyo yung muscle niya. Akma po ba sa size niya, sa body build niya? Okay? Maliit po ba? Mapayat lang po ba? Malaki po ba? Or sakto lang, mukhang sakto lang naman yung muscle niya. Okay, muscle lang taga-Bagyo. Ay, taga-Bagyo ba? Hindi pa. Taga-saan ka? Taga-Tamawan. Muscle lang taga-Tamawan. Okay. Then, what's next?
Tremors. Muscles for tremors.
Inspect muscles for any
Tremors.
tremors. So, check if there are any involuntary shaking. So, relax ka lang. Sige, labas mo yung kamay mo. So, tignan mo. Check ko, may involuntary tremors ba? May involuntary shaking ba? Nanginginig ba yung mga kamay, mga braso, mga paa? Even sa face, meron po ba? So, wala na. Walang involuntary shaking. Walang involuntary tremors. Anong next?
Palpate muscles.
Okay, so we'll now be palpating now the muscles from the different parts of the body, specifically the extremities. Ano? So, you palpate yung mga kamay niya, okay, while palpating for what? For the skeletal system or the bones as well. So, kapay nyo lang. So, you palpate both hands. Okay, yung kabilaan, then sa legs, pababa, then sa kabilang legs din. So, check for the muscle, check also for the bones, kung intact naman. And kung may mapipil na pain si patient. Check na rin kung may mga contractures. Okay, may areas of tenderness ba, mga ganun. Anong next?
Palpate muscles while the client is active and passive for flaccidity.
So we will now palpate the muscle while the patient is active and passive for flaccidity. So meaning, we will now palpate the muscle while the patient is at rest. Okay, so anong gagawin? Okay, so ang gagamitin natin is your biceps. Okay, so ito ang gagamitin natin na example. So you palpate the muscle, okay, while the muscle is relaxed. So check if the muscle is lengthened. Pag naka-relax kasi the muscle is nasa longest part niya. It is lengthened. Okay, so naka-intact naman siya. Check kung naka-intact sa tendons. Okay. So naka-intact naman. The muscle is relaxed. Okay ang muscle tone while the client is relaxed. Anong next na gagawin?
Spasticity.
Okay, so you'll now check for spasticity and
Smoothness.
smoothness of
Movement.
movement. So anong gagawin? While palpating now, the muscles, in this case your bicep, you now let the patient flex her muscle. So patigasin mo. Sige, patigasin mo. Sige, patigasin mo. Yan. So feel for the muscle, check for the muscle tone. Okay. Contracted ba yung muscle? Matigas ba? Nag-shorten ba yung muscle niya? Then, you relax. Feel the muscle if babalik sa normal size. So in this case, okay, nag-lengthen na naman yung muscle. Meaning, okay, positive yung muscle. Okay? Anong next? So we'll now be testing now for muscle strength. Okay, so we will be comparing now the right and the left part of the body. So anong gagawin muna ganito? Okay. Okay.
Stop.
So mag-holding hands. Ay. Ganito. Okay, ganyan. Okay, apply. Okay, ganito ka. Sige, pasahin mo para makita nyo. Okay, yan. Yan, para makita nila. Yan. So anong gagawin? So ganito muna. Holding hands tayo. Ay, sige. So apply resistance. So try to push. Okay, so you now feel for the right and left strength of the arms. So equal naman parehas yung lakas ng right sa left. The next thing to do is pag ganito naman. Okay? Ihilahin ko naman, pigilan mo. Okay? You apply resistance. So check the muscle strength ng right sa left. Okay, so parehas naman lakas. Now let's check for the grip. Okay, grip mo yung kamay ko. Okay, so try to grip my right and left. Sige, grip. And try to check kung parehas yung grip ng right sa left. Okay, parehas naman. Okay, medyo mas malakas yung right kasi mas dominant. Okay, though in this case parang okay lang naman. Hindi naman weak yung isa. So next, doon naman tayo sa knees niya. Apply resistance na naman. Sige, medyo lumapit ka. Okay, flat mo yung paa mo sa floor. So mag-apply ka ng resistance doon sa kanyang knees. Dapat may taas niya. Sige, taas mo. Yan. So naitataas naman niya. Next, sa lower extremities, silain mo yung paa niya. Tapos silain mo. Sige. Okay, so nakikila niya. Okay, ang strength saan? Sa right and the left part of the body, specifically the extremities. Okay, very good. Anong next? Yeah, so we did that during palpation of the muscle kanina. Sinama na natin sino? Si bones. What else? Yeah, so sinabay na natin yan kanina. While palpating the muscle, we palpated for the bones as well. Ano pa? So we expected now even the joints kanina during palpation, kung may areas of tenderness ba, kung may areas of swollen na joints. So wala naman kanina. Anong next?
Assess joint range.
We will now assess now the range of motion of our patient. Okay, or what we call now your ROM. Do you remember your ROM? Saan nyo natutunan ng ROM? Okay, so body mechanics at the same time even in your anatomy 3, tama? Okay, so tayo ka. So gawin mo yung sasabihin ko. Ready ka na? So sige, try to perform yung mga sasabihin ko. Ha? Okay, neck flexion. Okay, neck flexion, very good. Neck extension. Yan, neutral. Neck extension, no, neck. Neck hyperextension. Ano? Neck hyperextension, o parang? Yan, pag ganyan na short. Neck hyperextension, very good. So, pababa naman tayo. Let's go to your shoulders. Okay, shoulder flexion. Shoulder flexion, ano ba yan? No.
Ay, shoulder?
Ano, shoulder? This is your shoulder. Shoulder flexion. Bakit? Anong focus mo yan? The joints, di ba? Shoulder flexion. Bakit? Anong mo dati? Shoulder, paano yun? Ano yung flexing shoulder? Pag shoulder lang. That is your shoulder protraction naman.
Oh.
Shoulder flexion, para. Shoulder extension. Ganun. Okay, hindi pa ganyan. Ganyan, neutral. Straight lang extension. Shoulder hyperextension, diba? Patras. Okay. And that is your hyperextension. Okay, let's go to your elbow. Saan ang elbow mo? Very good. Okay, elbow flexion. Very good. Elbow flexion. Elbow extension. Okay. Elbow hyperextension. wala mababali. Okay? Walang elbow hyperextension. Okay? So let's go to your hips. Saan ang hips? Ito. This is your hips, tama? O, hip flexion. Ano hip flexion? Hip flexion pa.
Ano? Gagalaw mo ata.
Forward.
Paano?
Rotate mo. Let's go.
Paano? Ha?
Palikod. Forward,
Tuwa niya. Hip flexion, same movement with your shoulders. Hip flexion, hindi pa. Ang focus mo, yung hip, hindi yung pa. Hip flexion. Hip extension.
Split.
Ganyan. Extension. Hip hyperextension. Patra. Wow. Oh, let's go to your knees. Knee flexion. Knee flexion. Knee flexion. Knee flexion. Gawin mo. O, knee extension. Knee hyperextension. Wala. Mababali yan. So let's go. Okay, so nagagawa naman niya. Actually, marami pang ROM. Though at least nagagawa niya lahat. Meaning, okay ang ROM ni patient, yung range of motion niya. Okay. And anong next na gagawin? Document the findings on the client's record. Tama?